Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Foodpanda account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, you need to go to your Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone and search Foodpanda. Once you search, you need to download and install this application. Once done, you need to tap on open the application. Once you open the application, it will show you something like that, and they say sign up or log in. So you can use all these options. You can continue with your Facebook, or you can use your Google. So I will tap on my continue with Google. If you have multiple accounts, so you need to choose the account that you want to use to create a Foodpanda account. So I will tap on this one. Once you choose the account, here you need to enter your phone number. The first one is the country code, and then you need to type in your phone number here. So I type in my phone number and then tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they will want to verify your phone number first. They will send you a one-time password, a code. You need to enter that code here. So as you can see, I received the code and I enter the code here. And once you're done, as you can see, now your account has been created, and this is the first interface that you will see. So guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Foodpanda application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.